Clint Satterfield, a fellow Pro Mod racer. And, you know, Clint, we met, I'm trying to remember, we met probably in US 131, didn't we, one time?
Yeah, we were there testing, and we were there together, and you basically come and saved me.
Oh, well, I don't know if I saved you or not, but we, you know, it's kind of cool because I'm racing Pro Mod now. This is my first year racing, of course. You've been racing for, well, I think this year, 5th year coming up.
6th full year, yes.
Yeah. And man, what an experience. You know, I learned so much from watching you guys on the racetrack, and so that I could actually get in a car and halfway go down the track. It's been really cool. And while, yeah, this might be 30 years, we're only going back 6, it's been a great 6 years because you've been using a lot of our products, and you know, you've had good success, and you have a fast car.
Yeah, we're very happy with your products. You've already helped us considerably. That day at 131, you helped us out tremendously, really helped the program a lot. You've always been very instrumental, and your turbos are always really fast.
Well, I appreciate that. I think a funny story, I remember a funny story we had, you know, because I try to look back, so, okay, what's the significance of this conversation? I remember in St. Louis, I think it was 3 years ago, you guys were trying to build Boost.
Yeah.
And at some point, you'd had an engine failure.
I know where you're going.
And I don't know when that failure was, but I know that my name in that pit was not Harry.
No, it was pretty well Mud.
And so finally, I got the opportunity to come on by because for whatever reason, that thing wasn't going to make Boost. And what happened, and Bob, I think, was kind enough to take the turbos off so we could just take a look inside, because it just had to be something.
Come, I said, Harry, please, we can't get this thing to work at all. Can you just please come look at your turbos? I said, okay, I'm going to come look at you. And again, just like before, he saved the day.
I just thought it was a banana up the tailpipe, right?
Yeah, and that's almost what it was.
But instead, there's some big old goober stuck
Yeah,
in
we had lost
housing.
we had broke a valve, and somehow or another, that exhaust valve got lodged inside the turbo housing, and no, it's not going to build Boost.
You know, I love these stories because I was there firsthand, but you know, it's even tougher when you're on the phone talking to a customer.
I bet.
Right? And they're pulling their hair out and they just want to kill you because they sent you all your stuff, you send it back, and it's like there's still a banana up the tailpipe.
Yep.
But this is one time that we're actually at the racetrack, and that's why we go to the races to help people. And I've been going to races now for nearly 30 years, and it's just fun, and I appreciate, you know, you guys being out there racing and all the racers, and for me, it's just been a great ride. Thank you.
Well, and we really appreciate it, and you're doing a great job driving the car. When we heard you were driving, I'm like, oh God, Harry's going to drive the car, and then, you know, I think you do an awesome job. You're far along than anybody would have ever thought in driving these, because they're not real fun to drive.
No, they are challenging. But
but you're doing a great job, and we really appreciate all the support that you and Precision Turbo have given us for all the years.
Well, thank you. And what's next for you guys?
We have a new Larry Jeffers car out this year, changing motor programs. It's going to be a fun year next year.
Well, good luck.
Thank you. Good luck to you.
Thank you.